The Church of St. Thomas of Villanueva, commonly known as the Miagao Church, is the Roman Catholic parish church of the town of Miagao in Iloilo Province. Completed in 1797, the church is famous for the artistic sculptural relief carved on its facade. In 1993, the church was designated as one of the best examples of the Baroque churches of the Philippines and included in the list of World Heritage Sites by UNESCO. The Miagao Church stands as a living legacy of the culture and way of life of the people of Miagao centuries ago, anchored in a strong foundation of Christian faith. As most travelers would agree, the Miagao Church is one of the country's architectural gems because of its unique and imposing designs, ornaments, and motifs. For those who are interested to visit Miagao, so how to get here is that the Miagao Church is only 30 to 45 minutes away from Iloilo City. Commuters can take a Miagao or any southbound jeepney from Muhon Terminal in Molo District or from the Iloilo Terminal Market in Iloilo City proper. Before Miagao Church, there were two churches that were built in town, but both were burned by Muslim raiders and pirates. It was just in 1786 when the construction of the Miagao Church Iloilo started and completed in 1797. Since then, it served two purposes: a place of worship and a fortress against Muslim raiders. For centuries since 1797, Miagao Church was not only a garrison of the Christian faith, but also an indomitable refuge for citizens during the Spanish-Moro Wars. Battle after battle, its walls stood steadfast like San Cristobal under the weight of a centuries-long struggle. During the Revolution in 1898, the church was destroyed and subsequently rebuilt in the same year. In 1910, the church was damaged by fire, while in 1948, it was damaged by an earthquake and the restoration was completed in 1962. Due to the disasters and calamities it went through, Miagao Church underwent a restoration work several times already. In 1974, Miagao Church Iloilo was declared as the national landmark, and in 1993 it was listed by the UNESCO as the World Heritage Site. Miagao Church is made up of adobe, limestone, and coral. The towering buttresses from the side of the church walls are typical of the earthquake Baroque design, reminiscent of churches in Ilocos, particularly Panay Church and Bigan Cathedral, while the church's simple interior is highlighted by the striking gold-plated retablo. UNESCO has chosen Miagao Church as one of the World Heritage Sites because it exhibits various architectural designs with the predominance of a Baroque architecture and local artistic elements. The church foundation runs 20 feet deep into the ground, and its 1.5-meter thick walls are reinforced with 4-meter thick buttresses. As the town of Miagao was constantly invaded by the Moros for almost a decade, in the mid-18th century, the church had to be moved to a more secure place, so new fortified church was then built at the highest point of the town to guard against potential invaders. But what makes this church even more special is its unique ochre color. The church was built using a combination of Spanish Baroque and Romanesque early medieval architectural styles, with the addition of Chinese, Muslim, and local Filipino elements in the decoration of its facade. For instance, Saint Christopher is wearing a traditional Filipino attire, and it's surrounded by decorations like papaya and palm trees, which are very common in the country. The Miagao Church's distinctive yellow ochre color comes from the inclusion of coral ground into dust and egg whites in the mixture for the adobes. Egg whites are customarily used by the Spaniards to make mortar for their churches in order to make the mixture more durable. The adobe used in building the church is made from silt and clay that can only be found in this part of Iloilo, giving also the building a unique warm yellowish glow.